I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your eBay account to starter. So to upgrade your eBay account to a starter store on eBay, you need to subscribe to one of eBay's store plans. So the starter store is the cheapest store subscription and gives you lower fees in storefront. So the first thing to do to upgrade to a starter store is to sign into your eBay account. Just go to your ebay.com through a browser, and once you've done so, make sure you're logged in. Then you can just go to ebay.com/sub/subscriptions, and once you do so, you have all sorts of subscriptions here. So as you can see, starter is right there. You also have basic, premium, anchor, and enterprise. So the cheapest one here is starter, so it's just $4.95. So you can just step here right there. You also need to know that you must have entered your valid payment method like a card or your payment details here. So if you don't have that, then you are not eligible for the store. So make sure you do that and just press on one of them, and then you can just subscribe. Just choose billing options and confirm payment, and your store will be activated. So in this way, you can successfully your eBay account and upgrade it to starter. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.